How to achieve a $100,000 monthly breakout, decoding the path to success. Welcome back to our channel Money Magnet. In today's video, we're diving into an exciting topic that many of you have asked about. How to achieve a $100,000 monthly breakout. Whether you're an aspiring content creator, entrepreneur, or simply aiming for financial growth, this video will break down the key steps and strategies to help you reach that impressive income milestone. So, let's jump right in. Identifying your path. The path toward achieving a $100,000 monthly income necessitates a firm grasp of your direction. Are you inclined towards content creation, entrepreneurial ventures, or investment strategies? This initial decision holds paramount importance as it aligns with your skills and passions. Delving into self-awareness is a pivotal step, as it allows you to capitalize on your strengths while honing in on your areas of expertise. From here, the journey unfolds with a series of crucial actions. In this segment, we shall navigate through the foundational measures required to set you on the right trajectory toward attaining your financial aspirations. Selecting a niche that aligns with your passion and expertise is paramount. This choice acts as the bedrock of your journey, enabling you to craft content that carries substantial value and resonates deeply with your intended audience. This authenticity and resonance serve as the cornerstone of building a loyal and engaged viewership. Delineating what distinguishes you within your chosen niche is essential. Showcase your distinct perspective, skills, or offerings that stand out from the crowd. This differentiation not only establishes your brand identity but also enhances your credibility, making you an authentic and invaluable resource within the niche landscape. Gaining a comprehensive understanding of your target audience's needs, challenges, and preferences is pivotal. This insight fuels your ability to curate content or products that directly address these aspects. By tailoring your offerings to cater to your audience's specific requirements, you establish a stronger connection and cultivate meaningful engagement. Building multiple income streams. To achieve your $100,000 monthly goal, it's important to diversify your income streams. Relying on a single source might limit your growth potential. Let's explore various monetization strategies. Ad revenue and sponsorships. As your audience expands, exploring partnerships with advertisers or sponsors can be a lucrative avenue for revenue generation from your content. These collaborations not only provide financial benefits but also validate your content's reach and influence, enhancing your brand's credibility within your niche and industry. Affiliate marketing. Engage in affiliate marketing by promoting products or services relevant to your niche. With each sale originating from your referrals, you earn a commission. This strategy capitalizes on your credibility and influence within the niche, allowing you to monetize while providing your audience with valuable recommendations aligned with their interests. Digital products. Leverage your expertise to develop and sell digital products such as ebooks, courses, and templates that cater to your audience's needs. This approach not only monetizes your knowledge but also offers tangible value to your followers, empowering them to acquire insights and skills aligned with your niche. Subscription models. Elevate your monetization strategy by providing exclusive content or access through subscription-based platforms. This model offers dedicated followers specialized insights and experiences, fostering a loyal community willing to invest in your niche expertise. Consulting or coaching. This direct interaction empowers individuals actively seeking guidance within your niche, enabling them to navigate challenges effectively. Not only does this create a valuable revenue stream, but it also forges a deeper connection as you provide tailored assistance aligned with their unique needs. Your insights and advice hold immense value, propelling your credibility as a trusted authority. This two-way engagement not only benefits your clients but enriches your understanding of their pain points, enabling you to refine your content further. By offering this level of direct support, you establish yourself as a dependable resource while contributing to the growth and success of those you assist. Content creation and engagement. Creating compelling and engaging content is at the heart of building a successful online presence. Let's explore how to captivate your audience. Consistency is key in maintaining a strong connection with your audience. Regularly generating high-quality content not only establishes your reliability but also fuels anticipation and engagement. By consistently offering value, you cultivate a dedicated viewership that returns for more insights, knowledge, and entertainment. This cycle of engagement solidifies your presence in your niche and encourages organic growth as satisfied viewers share your content with others. Strategically optimizing your content for search engines amplifies your discoverability. By integrating relevant keywords, meta tags, and descriptions, you enhance your content's visibility to a broader audience. Simultaneously, leveraging social media platforms to promote your content maximizes exposure. Sharing engaging snippets, using appropriate hashtags, and engaging with your audience fosters virality, increasing your reach and attracting viewers who might not have encountered your content otherwise. Building a thriving community hinges on active engagement. By promptly responding to comments and addressing feedback, you foster a sense of connection and appreciation among your audience. Engaging in meaningful conversations, acknowledging their contributions, and even incorporating their ideas into your content deepens this connection. This two-way interaction creates a loyal following, as your audience feels valued and heard, resulting in a more vibrant and interactive community that benefits both your channel and its members. Scaling your efforts. Host. As you progress on your journey, consider scaling your efforts to maximize your income potential. Continuous improvement stems from vigilant analysis of your content's performance and audience behavior. Regularly monitoring metrics such as views, engagement, and viewer demographics unveils valuable insights. This data-driven approach guides your strategy adjustments, enabling you to tailor your content to better align with audience preferences. Adapting to their evolving needs strengthens your content's relevance, boosts engagement, and solidifies your position in the niche, ensuring sustained growth and success. Forge collaborative partnerships to tap into fresh horizons. By collaborating with fellow creators or niche experts, you gain access to their established audiences, introducing your content to a wider demographic. This symbiotic approach not only extends your reach but also enriches your content with diverse perspectives and expertise. Cross-promotions, joint projects, and shared audiences amplify your visibility, fostering growth, and creating a network that benefits all involved parties while providing value to your viewers. With increasing demands, outsourcing becomes a strategic move. Delegate tasks like editing, graphics design, or social media management to specialized professionals. This not only alleviates your workload but also ensures consistent quality across all aspects of your content. By focusing on your strengths and leaving the technicalities to experts, you maintain high standards, enhance efficiency, and have more time to create valuable content and engage with your audience. Host. Achieving a $100,000 monthly breakout is an ambitious goal that requires dedication, continuous learning, and adaptability. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight, but with the right strategy and consistent effort, you can make remarkable progress toward your financial aspirations.